welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be doing an unboxing. I recently just purchased a new camera. I got the Canon G7X Mark II. Yes, G7X Mark II. So I've been recording my videos from my iPhone and it was time to invest in myself because using my iPhone I have been deleting like a lot of different pictures because I don't have enough storage. Then between people calling me while I'm trying to record and stuff, I just said, so yeah, it's time for you to get a camera. So I decided to get the Canon Powershot G7X Mark II. So this is the box that it comes in. I had did some reviews on it before I just decided to make this purchase, and I talked to a few people and I was like, yeah, I'm just go ahead and get it. So I ended up purchasing the camera from Best Buy and I got it yesterday. So today I'm going to be doing the unboxing. So let's see, when you open the box, the first thing you see is the warranty in here. That's very important. You want to keep that. And you also have the user's manual. So I know I've been watching a lot of people doing the unboxing of this camera, and a lot of people be like throwing the manual and stuff. I'm definitely going to keep this because when it comes to troubleshooting and stuff like that, I'm not really that techie. So I'm definitely going to keep that. And then let's see what else we have here. So the camera comes in this little case, wrapped up all pretty. Ooh. So nice, put that there. Oh, before I show y'all the camera, so the only thing else is in the box is the charger port, which is cool because I like the portable charger port. You don't have to worry about plugging it in. Then it comes with the actual battery that will go in the camera and the strap. So now with this camera, it does not come with the USB cord. So I also bought me like a little memory cord for what is these things called? What is these? The SD, yeah, the SD things that you use for your memory. I bought the basically SD reader. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. So this was like $12.99 at Best Buy, and then I bought the 64 gigabytes. I think was for like $19.99. So I also purchased these two as well when I got the camera. So this is her. Ooh, she's so pretty. So let me just show you when you turn around, like how it pop out. Hold on. Oh, she don't want to work. Hold on. What? Technical difficulty. Well, of course she doesn't want to work because I did not put the battery in. So that was me being stupid. So we're going to try this again. So this is where you will pop it open to put the battery. So you just slide it back and slide that thing right on in here. That, push it down. I think that's the wrong way. Let's try this one. Okay, we got action now. Hold on. Okay. You gotta lock it. Now let's try this again, y'all. Ooh. Okay, so this is her. So basically this is what it looks like when you flip it up, and then that is the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and do the formatting and everything, like putting in the date and everything, and I'm going to let her charge a little bit, and then I'm going to come back recording with the actual camera. Okay guys, so I'm back. So hopefully you can tell the difference. I'm now recording from my new camera. When I tell y'all this little camera is so, okay, I'm sorry, I'm looking like at myself. I need to focus on looking in the lens. Okay, so when I tell y'all this little camera is so cute, like it's sleek, it's small, I can just throw it in my clutch. I didn't want nothing too big. So like I said, I ended up getting a camera from Best Buy, and she was trying to sell me something different. But I was like, no, I want the smaller one. And when I tell you this little camera is everything, it is so, oh my God, it's just so cute. So I was supposed to come back and record last night, but your girl was tired, so I just ended up going to sleep. So I'm back this morning to finish up this video. And like I said, I would definitely recommend this camera. Like, this camera is so nice. Like, it is love this little camera. Like, I'm so happy I made this purchase. Like I told you guys yesterday, so the camera does not come with a USB cord. So if you want to connect it to your PC or your Mac, you're definitely gonna have to buy some type of memory card reader. And the one that I got from Best Buy, the Insignia memory card reader, this one, it was $12.99 or $14.99. It was either $12.99 or $14.99. I would definitely leave the item descriptions and the prices in the down below, so you guys know how much I paid for my camera and then the accessories that came with it. But all you do is literally just put this in your USB port, and then it pops right, like the what am I trying to say? The information for the camera pops right up on your computer screen. So this was definitely a good buy as well. So like I said, this camera is everything, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys will see me next time recording from my no. So you guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.